Hi children, how are you? Glad to meet you once again through this online class. I'm happy for about it. Did you complete your SDD homework? Did you complete your SDD homework? Yes, if you are completed means you are good children. You didn't completed means very bad children. You do it your homework yourself. When I gave the homework, you must do the given day. Okay, don't postpone to the next day. Okay. The last class we have studied division. Do you remember that? Yes, very good. This is for some recalls. Yes, we didn't start our lesson. So, in this class, I will give assignment for you. Okay, you should write in your note. Okay, this one. You write in your note. All of you write with me. Open your max note. Take new page and write with me. All of you open your max note. Take new page. Take new page and write with me. Okay, Mama? Assignments, but you should write in the note. Okay, no need to write the A4 sheet. ASSIGNMENT, assignment. You should write in the note. No need to write the A4 sheet. Okay, A4 sheet or something. You should write in the max note. Okay. The first heading, WRITE, right? THED, NUMBER, number. NAME, name. Write the number name. Okay. 36, 12, 40, 89, 7. Write the number name. All of you write with me. Okay, Mama? WRITE, right? THED, NUMBER, number. NAME, name. Write the number name. 36, 12, 40, 89 and 7. All of you have written? Okay, take the next page and write. Take the next page and write second heading. WRITE, write. THE, the. NUMERALS, numerals. Write the numerals. WRITE, right? THE, the. NUMERALS, numerals. Write the numerals. Okay. THIR, TY, 30. FOUR, 4. NINETY, 90. SIX, 6. 96. FORTY, 40. NINE, 9. ONE, 1. HUNDRED, 100. 100. Then SIXTY, 60. SEVEN, 7. Then FIFTY, 50. Write the numerals. Okay, write the numerals. 34, THIRTY 30, FOUR 34, 96, NINETY 90, SIX 6 96, 49, FORTY 40, NINE 9 49, 100, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, 100, 67, SIXTY 60, SEVEN 7 67, 50, FIFTY 50. Okay, all of you have it written. Shall we see the next one? Okay. The third heading, WRITE, write. The place, PLACE, place. AND and FACE, face. VALUE, value. Write the place and face value. Write the place and face value. 4603, 3480, 7344, 9806. WRITE, write. THED, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. And 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 FACE, face. VALUE, value. Write the place and face value. 4603, 3480, 7344, 9806. Okay. Fourth one heading, use, THED, SYMBOLS, simples, greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay. First one, 4000, 8000, 346, 74, 53, 91, 84. Okay. Then fifth, FIND, find. THED, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. Okay. 46, 367, 7483. Use the simples greater than, less than, or equal to. Then find the place value. FIND, find. THED, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. Find the place value. Then take the next page and write sixth one. Expanded form. EXPANDED. Expanded. FORM form. Expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. 82 is equal to 3601 is equal to 439. Expanded form. EXPANDED. Expanded. FORM form. Expanded form. Write neatly. All of you have written? Okay, very good. Then next, addition. 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 346 plus 242. 413 plus 226. 633 plus 246. 126 plus 242. Addition. 346 plus 242. 633 plus 246. 413 plus 226. 126 plus 242. Then see the next one. Then take the next page and write. Take the next page and write subtraction. 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 $337 minus 123. 337 minus 123. 554 minus 441. 554 minus 441. Then 384 minus 142. 656 minus 644. Subtraction. All of you have written? Okay, then see the next one. See the next one. Division. 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 division, division. Fifteen, 5, then 36, 7, 21, 64. All of you have written, children. This is for your homework today. All of you do it properly. You should write in the note. Okay mama? Note liye write pannu. Note liye இந்த question answer write pannu. Paper la எழுத வேண்டாம். Okay? Do you understand? Very good. Next one we will see the next class. Take care children. Bye.